Hello everyone, welcome. This video is on a course project entitled Lead Through Programming by Team 17 of O Division. Following are the names of students belonging to our team. Problem definition. Problem definition of our course project basically tells about designing a machine which is semi-automatic, portable and user-friendly, which can be trainable, should be able to draw simple and different types of shapes, should be free in movements and should also write with different orientations. The machine should be less than 1 kg and it should not exceed the dimensions of length, breadth and height of 100 cm, 30 cm, 15 cm on the workpiece of A4 size. The build cost should not exceed of rupees 5,000. Function tree and clustering. Function tree here describes mainly of a robot performing three main functions: training, writing, notification. The training part mainly involves robot to be trained by storing the input. Writing involves holding pen or pencil, grip the pen or pencil, sense the input and write or draw something. Notification part mainly tells the user about whether the machine is on or off and also should notify about the work completion. The same task when clustered looks as follows. When broadly visualized, our course project consists of two main subsystems, notification part and a training part. The generated concepts. There are totally 4 concepts generated. The first concept tells about a same machine performing both as a master as well as a slave. The second concept is of the XY plotter. The third concept is using a spring mechanism and the fourth concept is using a CNC mechanism. Yes, the selected concept is the concept number 2, XY plotter. Yes, XY plotter that operates in 2 axes of motion, X and Y, in order to draw continuous vector graphics having 2 axis control.
So come to our next segment, that is virtual implementation. In this, here is our 3D model of the entire system. So let's go to the 3D model. So this is the 3D model. Here there is a Arduino Mega. Above that there is 2 easy driver that helps us to run the 2 stepper motor, which is situated, first one is here and second one is here. After that there is one servo motor which is here. So the model will run on the screwdriver mechanism. This is actually a XY plotter. So while running on x-axis, we will use the mechanism called screwdriver mechanism. And here our pen holder is this, so it will dot it on the paper. So come to the next segment, that is the circuit diagram of the entire system. In this, this is the Arduino Mega. After that, this is the servo motor. These two are the stepper motor. These two are easy driver, which help us to run the stepper motor. And after that, here is the LED that is used for notification. Come to the next flowchart. In flowchart, first after giving the power to the Arduino, so we have to give the input to the Arduino so that the motor will run on that. So we are planning to give the input from either manually to the direct window or through a software called BenBox. After that, the motor will run accordingly, and after the work is completed, the LED will display that. Now come to the next. These are the bill of materials. Come to the next point, that is motor sizing. In motor sizing, here we are doing only motor sizing because we don't need battery. Our model will directly run over the main input AC source. So in motor sizing, we know that force is acting given by MUC. So after calculating, force will come out to be 7.71 Newton. So torques come out to be 4.3 kg centimeter. So we need that motor, that stepper motor, which can sustain the torque of 4 to 5 kg centimeter. So we will use NEMA 17 motor. Thank you.
Hello everyone. Here is our new slide, function specification of the entire system. We have identified 5 functions for our course project Lead Through Programming. These were namely, first one, it should indicate about the on or off state of machine through LEO, and its specifications must be, this action help us to know the state of machine whether it is on or off. Second, receiving the input through Bluetooth modulo, and its specifications must be, this is done using laptop or computer. Third one, must repeat actions of drawing process. Specification are, the recorded input must be repeated using stepper motor. Functions, fourth one, must be able to hold the pen or pencil, means through which drawing is done, and the specification are, it must hold the pen or pencil and can draw whatever needed. Fifth, last one, must be able to convert the given command into a drawing signal, and the specification are, the machine should with a servo meter does this task and signal is given as input. Moving to our next slide, here is our interface performance specification. We have identified 2 of our subsystems, namely writing unit and notification unit. We are discussing in brief in our next slide. So here comes first writing unit. Writing unit, its functions and specifications. Writing unit, material interaction. What is function? First one, material. As we know, the basic material, we have pen or pencil with most probably length of 12 centimeter and diameter 14 centimeter. The pen is placed on the holder with angular tolerance 0 to 10 degree. Next writing unit is data interaction. Function, receive the writing signal data as digitally, and second function is write repeatedly using the recorded data. Specification are, sense the writing signal and using pen or pencil action is performed repeatedly. Third writing unit, spatial interaction. It should have degree of freedom of 3, where 2 is for moving pen or pencil back and front and 1 is for linear motion of pen. Second function is, subsystems are connected to each other with no degree of other degree of freedom apart from the mention. Its specification are degree of freedom 0 and subsystems are connected with no degree of freedom. Moving to next slide, here is our notification unit. Notification unit, function and specification. Material interaction. Its functions are, material should be LED, the basic material with 5.1 mm width and 16 mm length. And second function is, the LED bulb is placed on the outer case. Data interaction. First function, receives LED signal in form of digitally, and second function, sends the information to the user by LED whether the machine is on or off. Its specification must be, send the information to the user by LED on or off whether the machine is on or off. Third notification unit, spatial interaction. Degree of freedom must be 0 and this subsystem is connected to each other with no other degree of freedom. Its specification must be, this system is connected to each other with no degree of freedom. And here completes our presentation. Thank you.